Hi there, welcome to my series Linux Mint for Windows users. My aim is to help you get to grips with Linux Mint. I'll be doing this from the perspective of a Windows user switching to Linux. I started making the switch in 2007, back when things were not the most friendly, especially if you wanted to play games. Today it's much smoother, and so good even my gran was able to use it without any trouble. There are multiple reasons for switching to Linux Mint. Some common ones are: you simply don't like using Windows anymore. You might have privacy concerns. You don't like the adverts. Security. Price/Windows activation been a pain in the bum. Extending the life of an older computer. And maybe you're just feeling adventurous and wanted to try something new. Whatever the reason is, I hope you love using Linux Mint. Before I go further, I should quickly cover what Linux Mint is. In short, it is a computer operating system, just like Microsoft Windows and Mac OS are operating systems. What is an operating system, you might ask? In short, it is a collection of programs which manage the computer hardware and make it available for applications to use, not to mention provide some kind of interface for you to interact and use the computer, such as the desktop and taskbar that you're familiar with in Windows. I should also mention it's completely free. That's right, there is no charge. However, they do accept donations, so if you like it, why not at least send them some money for a coffee at linuxmint.com and click on the donate button. I'll be covering some of the history and background, how to install or acquire a computer with Linux Mint pre-installed, how to customize and configure, using, installing and uninstalling apps, configuring settings, running Microsoft Windows applications on Linux Mint, securing the computer, accessing the internet, word processing and much more. I'll assume that you're already confident using Windows to do basic tasks such as accessing the internet, managing files and folders, printing, etc. You don't need to be a whiz kid or have any prior knowledge of troubleshooting the computer. I'll be covering how to perform common tasks on Linux Mint to achieve the things you're probably already comfortable doing on Windows. If you follow along, you'll hopefully be a confident Linux Mint power user and you'll be telling all your friends about it, so get subscribed to be notified of my new videos coming out in this series. If you just want to find out more about the history and background of Linux Mint, watch the next video, What is Linux Mint? However, if you really just want to get started, jump ahead to Getting Linux Mint. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.